My name is Lyndon Remias, and I am the Virginia Beach City Auditor. The aspect of diversity that I bring to the city is I'm a proud Filipino American. As an employee, I have been embraced wholeheartedly. I hope to represent inclusion as an employee by showing that no matter your race, your gender, that if you are truly a public servant and you truly want to help our residents throughout the city, be respectful of your fellow employees, that inclusion comes naturally to all. Unity is critical to the success of our city and our community because, like all walks of life, the workforce should be representative of our community. There is no unity without you and I. VB Unity lives here.